What's up YouTube, Geo here. I am testing this GE control board. I got my tester, got the board that I just got hot wired to a little plug here. Okay, I got hot and neutral right there. I got the board plugged in, all lit it up. You can see it's flashing rapidly, constantly. And I got my GE Smart HQ device here. And this board here, it is not working at all. Dishwasher doesn't light up. No power, no function, no response. I'm gonna plug that in. I got it all hot wired. Do not try that at home. And let's see here. Let me pull this up. All right. And we could see the code that it's flashing, which is flashing rapidly. Let me get that fixed. Flashing rapidly, 4 times per second. It's a software error. Replace main control board, which I already did, and I'm having the same issue. So I just brought this back to my little office here so I can do some testing, see what's going on. Right. So let me hook up my new thing. Got all hooked up to it. Go over here, get it connected to my Smart HQ, and we'll see what's going on. Is flashing. Bluetooth module syncing. It's a connected to device, and then I got that screen connected to Bluetooth module. Say no internet port, firmware sync, cloud sync, Bluetooth sync. Now if I hit this button up to date, won't do anything. And get on this screen and firmware update, firmware syncing, and I'm not able to do anything basically on this screen except hit next, which brings me just right back where I started before. Alright, so it's a Bluetooth module sync. So I did this while I was there. I went and tried to sync it. It's a total 28 payloads. I'm gonna get that all synced. Alright, this function will synchronize the entire appliance software library. It will take approximately 0 minute. Let me see. I hit done. And now it is showing sync for cloud, sync for Bluetooth module, connected to Bluetooth module. It still say no internet ports. Firmware, it doesn't give me anything to update. And I can't click that up to date. There's nothing else to click on this page except next. And that doesn't get me anywhere. Just took me right back on the front page here, and that is not the model number. So it is connected. My Smart HQ light on the GE main control board is flashing rapidly, and no connection. So this is what I saw when this was the condition of the board when I got there. It was just flashing rapidly. I wasn't able to connect my Smart HQ device to it. So I went ahead and replaced the board, and Lord behold, I'm experiencing the exact same problem out of a dishwasher that looks like, I mean, out of a control board that looks like it just came out of the package. You know, like I was the first one to open it up from the manufacturer, and experiencing the exact same issue. Unable to really connect to it. Dead dishwasher, no lights on the user interface, and it's just completely dead. So based on the findings here, it looks like they sent me out another defective control board. Hard to believe, it was in a brand new package, never been opened. This is the part number, and I've gotten a defective board. Even this little yellow tag, I mean, you know, I opened up this package, it seemed like I was the first one to open it. So yeah, I need another control board, and got to go back out here and get it installed so this customer dishwasher can be back operational. I got to send this back to Marcone, defective. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Hit up the like, share, subscribe button, and tick that little notification bell. Thanks for tuning in. Geo out.